So today I'm
Okay,
going to
okay,
show
sir.
you, today I'm going to show you about roof, fascia, gutter, and soffit. So for that, let me create walls. Okay. Now I'll go to level 2, and there let me create this roof by footprint. Okay, and with this slope, we will create this roof. Now let me check in the 3D view, and that is created here, as you can check. Now let me start creating fascia first. Okay, so for creating fascia, we will select the edges of a roof. Okay, before that, you can select from here, and right now you see that this is the profile. Okay, this is the profile, and you can change the profile also. We have these profiles, and you can define the material from here. Now let me click on apply, and it's selected. So here you can see that this is the fascia which is created now. Right. Now you can change this cut also, and the rafter cut, you can make it square also if it is squared like this. And you can select all these walls and go for attach top or base, and can attach it. And you can provide the overhang. So I hope you remember. And after providing the
Yes, sir.
overhang, you can provide the fascia. So for that, let me go to level 2 and go for edit footprint, and then select these edges. You can select all these edges, and then you can provide the overhang, or for particular edge also you can define the overhang. So let me go with 250. And now let's go for finish, and we'll check in 3D. And this is the overhang. Now let's go to this roof fascia, and here I have selected this roof fascia. Right. And if you continue like this, so this will be a single profile. If you click on this restart fascia, so how many times you will click on this restart fascia, so it will restart it as a individual profile. Okay, so
Okay.
now I'll escape it, and here you can see right now this is a single profile. And here you can select it, and you can remove this part. You can remove it also. If it is not needed, you can remove to these sides. Can remove it like this. You can remove. Okay, and again you can add it. Fine. Okay. Now let me click on this roof gutter here. Okay. So here you can place it the roof gutter like this, and from this roof gutter your pipes will be connected. Okay. So that is created. Now you can
Can you
see
repeat
that.
that? So can you repeat this?
Yeah, sure. Go to this roof gutter option. Can provide it here. The outer edge. And now if I click on this restart gutter, you will see that this one is a single profile. And again, if I go for restart gutter, so it will be another individual. So now let's click on it here, here and here. Okay, and escape. And now you see that this is a one part and this is another part. Because from this part, I have clicked on that restart gutter. So this is another individual part. So I need to continue it to make a single profile. So for that, we will not click on that restart gutter. Now, here you can see that from the front, we are having like a this one, we have the gap here, right? So I need to cover up. So for that, I will go with the soffit, roof soffit. Okay. So
Okay.
here, and I sh I should know how much distance I require. Okay. So here the overhang is 250, and for this I have to know how much it is. So it is 235. Okay. So this one is 235 and the thickness is 19. So 250 plus 235 is 485. So I have to provide that 485. All right. Now, to create that roof soffit, you have to come to this level 2 plan view and then go for this roof soffit. Okay. So first we will select the wall edges. So for that, activate the wireframe, and these are your walls. All right. So I have to select the wall edges, and I'm selecting the outer edge. Okay. I'm placing my mouse on the outer edge of my wall. And even if you place it like this way, and later you decide to place it on the inner surface, inner edge of your wall. So here we have the flip option, so you can flip it. So that option is also available. Now we have this pick roof edges. Click on this pick roof edges, and we will pick the roof edge. Okay, so let me select this all the roof edges. So pressing the tab, I'll select it, and or else let me just flip this. Okay, so this is the roof edge. All right, I think. Okay, that is fine. Okay. Just a second, let me check with the. All right, so this is the roof edge, right? That is selected. And now I'll go with this finish. And then after that, we have to uh, change it also. So here you can see that this is the roof soffit, the fascia. Okay, that is the fascia. Now let me go with this wireframe, and here it is. This is the roof soffit which is created. I need it to the outside, right? I need to the outside. You have to change the boundary. So go for edit boundary option. This is the wall edge which is selected right now. I have to select the outer edge of my roof. Roof edges. I need to select this edge, but it's selecting this edge only. Just let me do one thing, that is, let me draw it to the level 2. Right? And for this also, I need to make it a close. So here, all right, let's go for finish. And then it's created, go for realistic. Here you can see, right? So think again, it is created from the inner edge of my wall. Is created from the inner edge of my wall. Right. Again, I need to change. Go to level 2 boundary, edit boundary. Yeah, so this is the outer edge of the wall. So let me select it. Let's go for flip. All right. Yep. Fine. Now let's go for 3D. And there you can see. Right. Now I have to change the profile. Okay. I have to change the profile. So for that, go to its edit type, and there you can see this is the structure, and the thickness is 300 mm. All right. So how much thickness you require? Accordingly, you have to select. So here you can see that this is the Okay, so let me go for 485. It is going to be the thickness, right? Uh, so the thickness is 300, but I don't need that 300. So 250, let me go to 250, click on apply and okay. So that is based from this here. And what I can do, I can align it, select this and select the top edge of soffit that is aligned. It so that is fine. Here it is created. Okay. And, provide that 485 also, but for that here you can go to this generic 300 and this is the system, and there you can change the structure for this. Okay. Now let me show you that if you have this rafter cut as plumb cut, these all will be deleted. Delete all these.
So we have to delete the fascia.
Yes, also everything because I'm changing this rafter cut. Okay. And let me go to this edit footprint there and I'll select these and I will uncheck the define slope. Let me click on OK. And here it is created like this. Okay. And after that, what we will do, we will either create a wall here, okay, or else what we will do, we will edit the profile of our wall. Okay, we will edit the profile of our wall. Now, let me just detach this wall and then again go for attach top of this. Okay, so this will attach like this way. So better I detach it. And for this, we'll click on this edit profile. Here you can see this is it. This is like this. So we will go it like this way. Okay, so this is the profile. Let me click on, I don't want to join it. So this way I will create the profile. Okay, this is the wall profile. And for this also, you have to create another part here. For that, what you can do, you can create filler for this. Go to level 2, and now let me just change the view range here. Let me change the view range. Okay, so I need to place it here, right? Another one, correct. So for that, what I'll do, I will create, let me create a model line first here. So from here to, right, this model line is created. It will be visible in,
So you're creating another wall there, or the extension of the roof?
sorry, once again.
So you're creating another wall, or you're just doing the extension of the roof? Sir?
No, I'm creating another roof and I will join that roof.
Okay.
I'll join the two
Okay.
roofs. So let me go to there it is. Okay. So now let me go to level 2 there. Okay. And now let me check the distance there. I'll go this align dimension. Okay. So let me go to this roof by footprint here. I can do it also roof by extrusion, right? So that is also possible. Now let me try this roof by footprint, and here let me go with this 6,100. Okay, so it is not created. It's really difficult to understand. So I need to. It will take time. So what I can do, I can just simply create the roof by extrusion. All right. So let me create the roof by extrusion option. Okay. So that I can create it simply. So for that, I can go to this right view and I can just fill it up. So for that, let's go to roof by extrusion. You have to pick a plane. So you can choose this as a plane or this wall as a plane. All right. So let me select this as a plane and level 2. Let's start creating from level 2. Okay. And let me first create it and then I will change, right? So it will be a single profile, right? So let me extend till here and let me go to this 3D again. And here you can see that is connected to here. So what I'll do, I will align, okay? So for that, go to align, select this edge and select this edge. And select this surface, okay? And then select this surface, which will be aligned, okay? Now select this wall surface and then select the end of this, okay? And now let me check in the realistic, and there you can see that is filled up. And you need to just give it a proper height and all. That is fill it up. We align it also again with this, with this aligned here. You see, right? This is right now aligned. Right? And this surface to this surface also, we will align it. So this what I can do, I can just edit it again, right? Can edit it, right? Select this. Now let me go for edit profile here, right? This is the, so now let me change it to here, okay, till here, and this one up to here, okay, and then go for finish. Here you can see, right?
Yes.
So this way we will do it. And then we have this join geometry option. Select it and then select this, and this is joined. Okay.
Yes.
So where is join geometry?
In the modify option, there you will find out this join geometry option, and
Okay,
you
sir.
can join this to geometry.
Okay, sir.
And for here also, I have to create that wall. Okay. And then this will be perfectly connected. I just need to modify that wall, or I can just simply define it another wall. Okay. So that that is possible, right? I have already showed you that how we can do it for here. So just I can simply edit this one, not this one. So this one will be detached. So this one you just simply can connect with this. Okay. And then you can again fill this. This thing you don't have to fill up. Just have to edit profile, click on this edit profile, and again you just go for it. Okay, sorry. I need to delete this, right? This will be a closed loop and then finish. And yes, I will unjoin it, finish. And that is created here. You can see, right? So this way we will create it. And after that, we will provide all these fascia as per this age, you see, as per the direction of your uh, roof age, you're getting this fascia, okay? It will be selected, this will be selected, this one, and you can select these. So for that, I need to restart, right? So roof fascia, selected, select this, and then for here, uh, here also need to select and then go for restart. And for this part, okay, then done. And for this, we will change the profile. And here you can see this is the profile, right? So let me go with this profile, click on apply. I need to still increase it. So what I can do, I can just change this profile, okay? So for that, you have to go into that family, okay? Or else you can create one family, all right? And then you can select it here. This is the fascia family, which is created right now. Now let me just hope you remember that in the C drive program data, and there you have the Autodesk, okay, and there you have the RVT, the version name, and there you have the family templates and the libraries. So within the libraries, you have the English or English Imperial, and there you have to open the profile folder. And within the profile folder, you will get the roof. And within the roof, you will see that there is a fascia. Okay.
So can you demonstrate it once? Let me just see how.
Should I show you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that, go to this open, and we'll be opening the family. And we have this C drive, program data, Autodesk, RVT, the version name, and there you have the libraries. Within the libraries, choose English as because you will be using metric units. So English, and go to the profile, and there you have the roof, and within this roof we have this fascia flat, fascia built up, this fascia gutter. See, these are the profile. Okay, so we can select from here, click on open, that will be opened. Okay, and here you can check with the dimension 19, and this is 184, right? And here you can check with this 19, 184, 235. This is there, right? 235. Click on apply, and here you can see it is increased. So I will check in the I'll check here how much distance actually I need. Okay, the roof has a thickness of 400, so uh, I can apply 450. All right, so let's create another. Uh, have I demonstrated about creating family?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is one part. Okay, so I will go in details later. Okay, well, I will when I will demonstrate about family, so I will go in the depth. So now I'm just creating another type here. Within this family, I'm just creating another type with this name. So I'll go the same thickness, or here I can apply 25 into 450 mm. One okay, and I'll go the thickness that is 25, and this will be 450. Click on apply, and here you can see the changes. Click on OK. And after that, load into project. And as because those are already available, but you have changes, you have made the changes. So just if you have made the changes only to the model, so you can just override the existing version. And if you have changes the model and the parameter values, so we have changes the parameter values, so we'll click on this override this one. Now I will select the fascia and this also, and then go to this type. Here you can see we're getting this 25 by 450 mm, and that is applied here. Okay. I think I need to make it more. Let's go with 500. Okay. So for this, we will rename this type. Let's go with the 550. Okay. So let's go with 550. Click on apply and OK. Now load into project, overwrite the existing portion and its parameter values. Select this face here and select this face here, and then go to the type, click on apply, and that is okay. Right. Now let me apply the gutter. So select this edge. So for this, I need to restart, right? So here, the restart gutter. Here also, I think for this, I need to change the extrusion height. So extrusion depth, I can change it, right? Accordingly, it will be there. And again, go for restart gutter. Select this restart gutter. All right, so now it is done. And here, what I need is I need to fill this gap, right? So for that, we will apply the soffit, correct? So go to level 2 and go for roof soffit. So this is your wall, right? And here it is. Here it is. Okay, so for this wall, I just need up to here. And for this also, I just need up to here. And this will be till here. Okay. Or else just let me make this one only, this side only. Okay. And this is the roof edge. So now let's go for roof edge. Let me select it here. Yeah. So this I mean overlap somewhere. Yeah. So it overlaps here. So we need to just delete it. You can either apply from here or I can do it like this also. Right, so this will be a single line. Click on and say something overlapping. Yeah, so here it is. I need to delete that. Now let's go for finish. And in this 3D, let me show you that. This is let me go with this wireframe there. Here it is created. Okay. So I have created in this side. I need to create in this side. Okay. So don't worry about that. Let me select, go for filter and check none and go to its edit boundary and level 2. I need to create it in this side. We will create uh, throughout the edges, all the edges, but I'm just showing you from the front. Okay. Uh, so let's pick the outside of our wall and then go for it. Okay. So this will overlap. We will just delete all these lines. Delete it, delete here. Okay. And I'll create half of this ridge. So these lines are called ridge lines of a roof. These lines are called the ridge lines of a roof. Let me delete it. So let me create it half. Okay. And for this, I can define the slope, and the slope will be the same value. We will match it with the roof. So 30° will be, and I think we will change it later. Okay, so let's go for it. And here you can see, right, I was guessing it right. So I need to place the slope to this side, define slope, that will be 30°. And let me uncheck, click on finish, and it is placed. Okay, yes. We need to place it up to the end of our roof edge, right? Let's go for realistic. And here you can see, right, this is the roof soffit. Right, this is the roof soffit. It's right now selected, and the height, we will match it up to 400, right? Click on OK, apply, and OK. And then I will match it with the edge. Okay. And right now, let me hide it so that I can understand. Now let me go this modify, go for align. select this surface and then select the top surface, and that is lined here. Right. This side also we will create. Fine. Or get it back. Okay. And from that edge, I think how much it is the distance. I need to check it. So for that, I will go to the east elevation. And here, let me hide it. HH, or I need that, I think. HR. Okay. And go for wireframe view. Okay. And here I need it. So from this point to this point is 173. Okay, so I'll place to there 173.2. Okay, so go to its edit type and make sure you are duplicating it. Okay, as per the structure thickness 173.2. Click on OK, apply and OK. And you need to align it. So go for align, select this and select this. That is aligned right now. And let me select here and here. And again, I need to align it. Let me go for the boundary there. Level 2. Okay, we'll match till the ridge and then finish. Can shake it in 3D. Right. Can provide it up to here also. So we will match the height. Okay, so just let me go to the east again. We have to match this height. It is 173.2. Uh, okay, so 150 is the right age, and I have to go for this edit boundary again and till this end. We'll make it till this end and like this, I think. You can check it in 3D. Okay. Edit boundary, go to level 2 and till the outer for wall till here. Let's go for finish. So here it is. And go to east view, and we just need to align it again. So go to align and to this edge, to this edge, that is aligned. And here we need to align it. So align. Okay, that is fine. Again, you need to change the edit boundary as because the position has been changed. So go to level 2 there, go for edit boundary. There you just need to increase it. You just need to match it. So change the boundary after aligning. After the alignment, click on finish. And there you can see it is perfectly placed. And you need to make it to this side. Okay. And to this side. So for these front faces, there will be slope, but for these side edges, there will be no slope. Okay, so you can just make it. Let me show you in this level 2 here. So this is the roof, right? Okay. Now let me go to that architecture roof soffit, and this is the wall edge, and this is going to be the roof edge. So let me select this roof edge. Okay, and we will delete all the other lines. Delete it. And for this, let me place it till here, and I will delete all these lines.
Sir, I think your screen is frozen.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello,
It's not clear, sir.
am I audible?
Okay, yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now let me just complete this. So this, I need to complete it. Okay, so let me create it from here. Screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes. And that is created. You can check it in 3D. This is the roofs of it, and you need to just change the position of your roof soffit. Okay, so we can just simply go for align, select this, and make sure you're selecting the soffit edge. It will show you that you are selecting the roof soffit. Right. Okay, just a second. Let me select the roof soffit and need to define it. Okay, so for this also need to uh, make the changes. So go for edit, and for this, let me go with 400, and make sure you make the duplicate, otherwise that same type will be changed. Click on OK, and let me go with this 400 mm. Click on OK and go for edit, and let me go with 400. Click on OK. Okay, and there it is. See, this is the of it which is created. Now I just need to align it, right? And then make sure you are selecting the soft. Yeah. So here it is aligned. Okay. Like this, you have to create. And this one will come till here, and this one, uh, this one is fine. No problem with that. Okay, so we can create like this. Okay, so this is created with the roof soffit. So this way, if you are creating any hipped roof, you have to create all these fascias, this gutter, and this roof soffits. Okay. So when you have the gable roof, you need to provide a slope for your soffit, and you need to create it separately for the roof soffit. Okay, and for the all part, you just try it out. You can simply create it with the same procedure. So this is all for today.